Do we really know competitor pricing in real time? Are we able to plot reasons why our competitors' content strategy works? Are we able to identify new prospects in real time? Let us answer these questions for you today in our episode 10 of Boardroom series AI and Digital Marketing. This is Utkarsh.
And this is Vanchita, and welcome to our show. Most businesses use complex internal dashboards, CRM data, sales dashboards, campaign reports. But market moves outside company systems. There are prices changes, customer behavior changes, competitor experiment constantly. So businesses now need external intelligence captured continuously and automatically. This is where AI led web scraping become more important. In simple terms, web scraping collect publicly labeled data. n8n can be used to create workflows to automate and sequence all the processes, quietly collecting market signals 24 into 7.
Let's take a practical scenario. Suppose a manufacturing company wants a new distributors, or a SaaS company wants HR decision makers, or a D2C brand wants regional retail partners. Instead of buying static lead databases, n8n can actually generate fresh lead dynamically in real time. Lead generation using AI web scraping works in 5 steps. Data source identification. An HTTP request node connects to public directories, listening platforms, or Google Map pages. Safe data extraction. APIs like AP5 or Firecrawl helps collect data responsibly and avoid blocking issues in LinkedIn and other platforms. Information parsing. An HTML extract node uses CSS selectors to capture business names, emails, phone numbers, location, and website links. AI cleaning and structuring. LLM nodes such as OpenAI combined with Quad nodes remove duplicates, standardize formats, and enrich records. And finally, there is operational integration. Clean Leads automatically moves into Google Sheet, HubSpot, Salesforce, or any other CRM. Gmail or Slack alerts can trigger instantly. Thousands of records can update in minutes while costs remain controlled, especially with self-hosted n8n environments.
Another challenge team face is assessing competitors' content strategy to outbeat them in their own game and to spot early content trends. Here is how competitor content intelligence automation works. First is data collection. n8n collects with tools like Epify or Bright Data to collect public posts from platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Then, with capturing of captions, engagement metrics, hashtags, mentions, posting frequencies, etc. After this comes data warehousing and AI analysis. All the raw information moves into structured database such as MongoDB, BigQuery, or Snowflake, where AI nodes like Claude can analyze patterns and classify content automatically. And finally, you have decision visibility. Content gaps analysis run without manual efforts, detecting signals and actionable items such as identify influencers, collaboration opportunity, competitors campaign monitoring, competitor content analysis to understand what's triggering the algorithm.
Wonderful, isn't it? How n8n can tap into competitor insight which used to take weeks. Now let's get into the scenario of competitor pricing. Pricing is where intelligence becomes action. Businesses must know what competitors are charging and more importantly, how fast those prices change. Most teams still track prices manually by opening various websites, updating spreadsheet and sending internal emails. By the time decisions happen, the market has already moved and opportunity may be lost. A solution to this can be using competitor pricing intelligence automation with n8n. The various steps are as follows. First step, in change detection. Instead of checking website again and again, n8n connects with tool like Visual Ping, which watches competitors' product pages continuously. It sends a webhook only when something actually changes, like a price drop, discount level, or a new offer. This means workflow run only when needed. No wasted processing, no constant monitoring by humans. Second step is data cleaning and collection. Once the trigger arrives, n8n connects to external pricing tools like Presync using an HTTP request node. Presync returns structured data such as price, currency, and stock status. So, n8n does not struggle with messy website code. The data comes clean and ready for use.
And this solves a big operational problem. Normal web scrapers break when competitors redesign their websites. Specialized tools like Presync easily manage proxies, bot protection, and layout changes. n8n simply coordinates the workflow. Next comes AI reasoning and evaluation on OpenAI. This is an important step to prevent automatic and unnecessary price wars. For this, we use AI to check business rules before any action happens. For example, is this a sale temporary promotion? Will matching this price reduce our margin too much? Does this fit our brand positioning? So automation stay strategic, not reactive.
Then comes the key step, automatic price execution. If conditions are approved, n8n connects directly with Shopify or WooCommerce. Product price update automatically, no manual approval loops, no delay between insight and action. The system reacts almost in real time.
After execution, we add decision visibility. Every change is logged inside Google Sheet or internal databases. Old price, new price, reason for change. Slack alert notify teams instantly. Leadership keeps control while automation handles speed. For smaller companies or lean teams, n8n native nodes can also monitor a few competitor websites. HTTP request and HTML extract nodes work well for small scale tracking. This avoid extra software cost, though it need occasional maintenance.
This workflow matters especially in industries where pricing decides conversion speed. This matters most in industries where pricing speed drives revenue, like e-commerce marketplaces, SaaS subscriptions, consumer electronics, travel platform, tech products, and D2C brand running frequent promotions. In these markets, faster reaction often means higher revenue.
So the shift is simple but powerful. Pricing intelligence can move weekly report to continuous market monitoring. Teams stop collecting data manually. They start making decisions using live signals.
So now we have covered in depth how an end-to-end automation combined with web scraping tools can be powerful ally to a business that needs marketing intelligence. We hope you enjoyed watching this podcast as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share this content with your colleagues and leadership for education on advanced tech in marketing functions. In the next episode, we discuss how market signals automatically becomes live marketing decisions. We shall build a marketing campaign plan using n8n so that the data collection become automatic, decision making become faster.